Good afternoon. It is November the 22nd, 2016. Time to recap our trading today. Pretty quiet trading. Again, very difficult to make money unless you executed right at the edges. Probably the best thing we did today was failure to take out 03. And we weren't able to take it out. We have 1, 2, 3 attempts to take it. There is no trade on this S. Like it broken by the second bar, did not happen. So retest failure had you short up here at 99.50. This S had you short at I believe 97.75 right in here, and it was a 2-point plus trade right here, 1 point plus trade off of that. So plus 1 to 2. Don't stop out on this trade. You're in it for a long time. This trade comes quickly positive. Retest failure, or this B right here, positive trade. Mean green trade may be good for a point. So again, the trading is very difficult in this. I like the market. I believe we'll see another record close tomorrow before Thanksgiving holiday. That is the tendency. So longer term, we still like the market to the long side. Looking at the F1 screen. Higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. Looking at the F2 screen. Pretty square distribution right here. Little saddle formation. Not a lot going on, but if you put it all together, definitely looking at a P. So the trade that we're going to have once again is going to be failure to take out this 203. So failure to take it out. Say 3 to 5 to give it a little bit of room to get stops, and then 9 to 11. And on the buy side, we're right back where we have been. We have a K period at 95. We have an L period low at 96. So 94, 96 by 1. And then 91, 89 by 2. We'll open it up a little bit. Lots of news tomorrow. Durable orders plus 1.5. Transportation plus 2. That's the number they'll look at. Jobless claims 250. That's the default number. I don't even know if people believe that number anymore. FHFA housing price index plus 0.7. PMI flash manufacturing 53.5. Might get some play. New home sales 590. That might get some play. The housing numbers. They've been mixed through the fall, but of late they've been stronger or higher than forecast. Then consumer sentiment 91.6, and depending if this has if it has the election day results in it, we should start to see this number climb if people are optimistic about the future. I don't know if it's going to have the election results are included in that number, but this number, durable orders, transportation, jobless claims, maybe, manufacturing PMI, maybe, new home sales, yes, and consumer sentiment, yes. Crude inventories, don't know, and natural gas inventories, don't know. So that's how we'll play it tomorrow. We'll like the long side coming in unless we see some very strong rejection in the overnight or a piece of news that changes our mind. Okay, we ought to start seeing more doom and gloom articles as the market rallies, climbing that wall of worry. That's just part of it. The more doom and gloom stories we see, the easier it is for the market to rally. When there are no doom and gloom stories out there, you start to wonder about the market a little bit. Okay, on the 10-year higher low, higher high, the market can trade higher, but we are in a pretty strong downtrend. The auction results today, not very good when you get right down to it, from my way of looking at the market. and that was reflected in lower prices after the auction was out of the way. We are dealing with a B, so we got a seller at 28 to the buck, and perhaps a buyer at 16 to 20. So we'll play it that way. We'll have 27 to 31, sell 1, 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, we're just where we were this morning, 17 to 21, buy 1, 9 to 13, buy 2. Bonds can sell into any holiday. They don't play by the same rules. Nobody knows what the bond market is out there, pays any attention to it. From generating news and getting people excited. But my guess is that it won't sell tomorrow because of the auction. The tendency will be for it to try to trade higher. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, last rotate up, stopped at 18. We're currently at 10, so 16 to 20 is 1. 23, 27, sell 1. 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 4 to 8 is 1. 29 to 01, buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 2. And looking at gold, outside day that usually means a trading range the next day. If we take it off the bottom, you're looking at a P. If we take it off the top, you're looking at a B. So my guess is we'll probably look at a trading range. So 5 to 7, buy 1. Still think we're going to get stops below 1200. 99 to 01, buy 2. On the sell side, 13 to 15, bring it in a little bit, and then 19 to 21 for sell 2. Crude oil, subject to news spikes either way, and they can, if Saudi Arabia and the ones that want a deal want to try to force the issue, they'll release articles that there is no deal, and they'll show Iran and Iraq how fast the bottom can fall out of the market, and the others that are lobbying for higher prices. So we've got a higher low, higher high. This market can still trade higher. The articles are out today. No deal, $40 crude oil. Do get a deal, $60 crude oil. So that would be remains to be seen, of course. Okay, last rotate up stops at 43.50, so 48.25 to 48.50, sell 1. 48.75, 49, sell 2. The numbers should sound familiar. On the buy side, 47.25, 47.50, buy 1. And I'm going to put question mark at 75. I think we can get deeper than that. And then 46.75, 47 even for buy 2. News driven. The official meeting is the 30th. And the euro, we did get stops, I believe, below 106 today, which is where we thought it was going to go. Higher low, higher high, we can trade higher off the F1 screen. And F2 is a P put in backwards. That means short covering. So we did get stops below 106. We're at 106.34. So 106 again will be buy one. Worked out pretty well for us. 575. Haven't gotten there yet to get stops beneath this level. Buy two. 645 to 55. Sell one. 665, 675, sell two. We're just going to lean against where support and resistance are, and we'll see if we get able to fill at those levels. That's it for this November 22nd, 2016. I will see you bright and early in the morning. I hope you all have a great evening, and we'll see if we can shake that money tree once again tomorrow. I'm out of here.